Good afternoon, everybody. Name is Keith Raveendran. I'm a family law lawyer in Markham, Ontario. Just to introduce myself, I'm in my sixth year of practice now. After years of working at private law firms, I decided to take the plunge and start my own practice. The reason behind that is being that I wanted to add a personal touch to the legal services that I provide to my clients. And while I was in private firms, I saw that the system in which I was working was riddled with a number of issues, like access to justice type of issues, people being unable to provide or purchase or retain lawyers with limited income that they had, so that they can get their intended goals realized for their particular family law type of issue. Keeping that in mind, what I ended up doing was I started my law practice, and the whole goal behind that was making sure that I was able to cater to clients from various different types of income brackets, whether there are clients that don't earn enough to pay a lawyer privately. If they can qualify for a legal aid certificate, I'm more than happy to provide them with legal aid types of services on various issues that range from parenting related issues, child support, spousal support, property division, you name it. To take that a step further, obviously, if you're able to pay my hourly rate, you can then become a private client, and I can provide you legal services in that manner as well. But then there's also those weird people that they can't qualify for the legal aid services because they make too much, or they don't earn enough to hire a lawyer. So they're left trying to figure out how can they get the legal services they're looking for. And the creative approach I took with that is I provide unbundled legal services, whereby you can retain me for a specific item that you're trying to do, whether it be drafting pleadings for filing into court, or maybe reviewing and amending an affidavit that you want to file in court, or just filing and serving, preparing disclosure, whatever. Or I could help the prospective client help themselves in representing themselves in court. I actually coined the term by attending this group here, and I call myself as a legal coach in that respect. I pretty much sit down with you and I go through everything with you and help you better prepare for your appearances in court and help you meet deadlines, which can translate into lowering the overall cost for your legal services. Now, what a family law lawyer does can range from various different types of things that I can help you out with, whether if it's a court appearance or negotiating a settlement out of court. I can be your guy. The issues that we generally touch upon is parenting related issues, child support, spousal support, property division, income disclosure, separation agreements, adoptions, prenuptial agreements, and the list goes on and on and on. And I would encourage everybody here in this group or anybody else in LeadTribes to book a coffee connection with me to pick my brain about any type of issue, so that you can better help yourselves understand how you can better refer a client to me. I think that kind of education helps you to kind of keep your eyes and ears open, and I welcome that. Aside from that, my ideal clients can range from anybody that is looking to get married, anybody that's presently in court, anybody that is trying to get an understanding on how they can represent themselves in a particular legal matter. And the rule of thumb that I always like to pass on to other people is, before you make a decision, pick up the phone and speak to your lawyer. You don't want to make rash decisions and all of a sudden find yourself in trouble, and then have your lawyer bend over backwards trying to undo some mistakes that could have been avoided.